Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking the clips to clean. This is efficient and prevents accidental edits. First, open Final Cut Pro and load the project, then select the clips in the timeline or browser that contains silence. Once done, enable audio waveforms and zoom in to a 1 to 4 second view so you can see quiet sections clearly. This visual step matters because you will remove silence precisely, not roughly. Make sure to group clips by speaker or scene to keep flow consistent. Next, you auto-detect and remove silence with a combination of selection and effects. Use the range selection or blade tool to mark obvious silent regions, then apply the noise gate or loudness effect to automatically reduce or trim low-level audio under a chosen threshold. Set the gate threshold around -40 to -60 dB depending on background noise. This removes real silence while keeping breath and ambience. After trimming, ripple delete gaps or use join clips to maintain smooth. Finally, refine the edits and test playback to catch artifacts. You should manually trim any remaining micro-silences and add a short crossfade of 5 to 20 milliseconds to prevent clicks. This is why brief fades matter. Then check levels and apply compressor or gain to normalize loudness across cuts. If you hear popping or abrupt changes, make sure to undo or restore the original clip version, lower the gate threshold, and reduce fade length. That troubleshooting step fixes most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.